everyone, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to make these simple and cute earrings. Just like the title says, they are extremely easy and I think they're adorable. So we're using products from the Denim Casual collection, which you can see by clicking below. We're going to have our 4mm Czech rounds, our Athenacast large hole spacer, wire guard, and ear wire. So on about a foot, 12 inches of thread, I have loaded 6 of the 4mm alternating with the spacer beads here. And then I'm going to go back through all of them to make it a circle. You could also use probably 4mm pearls, in whatever color you'd like to do. There we go. And then I'm just going to tie it off, right over left, left over right. And if you wanted to, you could actually not put the ear wire on it and just string these on maybe a leather cord or a chain of some sort. That would be cute. So we're coming out or next to one of the spacer beads, and I'm just going to go underneath it, and then I'm going to pick up a wire guard. So we'll go up the wire guard and down the wire guard. And this is just going to straddle the spacer bead. So I'm going to go back through the spacer bead. And then to reinforce it, I'm going to go back up and around the wire guard. And back down. And then, lucky for us, the tail is right there, so then we can just tie it off. Right over left, left over right. And then you can burn your threads off. And then put your ear wire in. And you have an earring. These would be nice to make if someone's just learning how to bead, or if you need a pair of earrings to match your outfit tomorrow. Very, very, very simple. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in other videos.